Hi, do you want confidence? Oh, yes, that's great. Everyone wants confidence, especially the one who's learning this language. Wants confidence, needs confidence, requires confidence, of course. So, well, my name is Arjun Kumar and I'm practicing of speaking English. I'm learning English every day. If I talk about myself, so my name, I'm pursuing my BA from Aligarh University. And if I talk about my hobbies, so I like reading books, singing songs. So that's all. And if you want to have confidence, then watch this video. When I was, when I was attending my classes, now I attend my classes. So one my initial days when I was attending classes, I used to be like this. Good evening to all of you. My name is Arjun, and I am here to speak about this topic that is given by sir. What is it right way to express a speech? Is it right way to express your thought? Is it right way to deliver your speech? No, no, that's not right way. To do something big, you need confidence. And confidence matters everywhere. Whether it is your education, whether it's your work, whether it's your home, whether it's your business, everywhere. It requires everywhere. Why? First of all, we need confidence to show that we can do this work. Your confidence shows everything is, I mean everything that you are doing is the, a skill to you, is a skill to you, for you, or you can do that. But when it comes to speak in front of the podium, so today I can speak because I have that much confidence. Even I'm making mistake while speaking, doesn't matter. Yeah, everyone makes mistake, and I'll be correct my mistake after the video, after the video. That's why I make video, I record video to find my mistake. But I'm talking about confidence, not mistake. Okay, and don't check my mistake. Yeah, I consider, I perceive it, I am making mistake, okay, while speaking. So don't go for my mistake, only go for confidence. I'm talking about today confidence. Confidence doesn't come by, your show off, your dress up. It comes, first of all, it comes by your knowledge. It comes by your gesture, your posture. It comes by your mind. It comes by your action, by your thought process. It doesn't come by your, cramming word. If you cram the word, if you mug up the words, then you deliver your speech, you are never go you know you are never gonna be confident person, because it requires knowledge. Yeah, if I talk about myself, when first day when I was delivering my speech, so I was like, my hand were like this, and I was, good evening everyone, I was like shivering like this, you can see. So when my mentors see, look at my finger, so it was like, oh, everyone laughed by seeing me, because my condition was very bad. I was shivering completely, I was trembling. Then that day, but that was my first day when that day I realized that, yeah, confidence matters a lot. After me, there were another guy who went to podium and delivered his speech. Yeah, that was marvelous. He didn't shiver at all. That day I understood the power of real confidence. Before that, I was speaking little bit in broken English, but that day I understood the real meaning of confidence. But now, yeah, I'm enough confident. Yeah, when if I see newly face in my classes, so I might disconfident little bit, not completely, little bit, but I don't suffer like this earlier. Yeah, but when I speak my familiar one, then I speak while laughing, and it can do every, this can done by everyone. If you are familiar with your loved ones, with your partner, so you can speak in front of them, there is no problem. But when it comes to speak about in front of newly faces, in front of newly people, so you might get disconfused, disconfident. So that's what I do. I speak in front of different kind of people every day. Because when I now you are thinking that you are attending batch, I'm learning English by through academy, with academy, and with an academy. So you might be thinking about, if you are learning English, with an academy, so how can you meet different people every day? Because in a batch, there are limited students, like it could be, they could be 40, 30, whatever, but they were limited, and they are familiar. But not, bro, not. What I do, actually, I'm telling you, consequently I'm here. So when I go to my class, because I every day go for 1 hour, before 1 hour, 1 hour earlier, before my class timing. So what I do there, when another batch, when another batch uh, is going to finish, I say to another people to talk to me, different people outside of the institute. And most of them, you know stay, remain with me, and most of them go because they do not have time. They say that I do not have time. But then I complained to my sir, and I said, sir, I need to meet everyday different people. So he's admired me. He said that this was a great idea to develop your confidence. So he made a thing. What he did, every day, he he says he says a person to stay in our batch every day, different batch, because there are 6 to 7 batches in my academy. So we meet every day, 2 or 1 or 3 different people every day, and then we talk to them and we discuss the thing. That's how I'm developing my confidence. So this is a good way to develop your confidence. And there's another way. If you have money, then you can join. There are so many live session, like people are making conversation in front of the screen. They are recording video. So yeah, if you have money, then you can buy a subscription. If you do not have money, that's enough. Then record video like me, as I'm doing it right now. Talk to everyone, talk to different people. If you do not have people, then it will be very difficult to be confident. Because if you are, most of the people say that we can learn English at home, we can learn English without paying a single penny. We have phone, we have social media, we have a technology, we can learn, even we can expert in this language. Yeah, I consider this thing, you can expert, you can learn, you can be a great speaker, great orator in this language. But when it comes to speak, then you get fuss. When it comes to speak, when you get fuss, because the confidence you get there, you cannot get, by sitting in your home, by sitting inside your home, by talking to someone on audio call. Okay, it comes when you interact different people, when you interact with a group. Then it comes when you attend debate classes, when you attend group discussion, then you get chance to speak and you express your thoughts in front of them. They all listen to you carefully. And when you are giving your speech, or they are listening to you carefully, then you see everyone's face. Then that time realize, yeah, are you confident or not? If while speaking you are full of energy, you are boisterous, you are giving your speech with full intention, you are not caring for any people, then you see that yeah, I'm confident. And while speaking, if you are shivering from in your leg are shivering, or you are speaking from mouth, or your words are mumbling, trembling, shivering, then you can see what your condition. So that's the exact benefit of having a coaching institute. That's what I'm doing. So if a lot of people says that yeah, confidence, we can talk to people on video call, yeah, you can connect one people, two people, three people, but by inside, sitting inside your home, you cannot be a confident person. You need offline people, you need physical activities to be a real confident person. You have to live authenticity, don't on video call, okay? Otherwise your confident will remain on video call. When you will claim, first you will claim I can speak English. For example, if someone call you and and that person calling you like come, do you speak English, you may answer yes, I speak English. How, what kind of English? I speak English well. Okay, well, come here and we have this kind of activities. Participate and show your confidence and show your speak English. Okay, go. And when you when you involve that environment, and when you find a lot of people, a newly faces sitting in front of you, then your confidence might lose. Why? You were very confident on video call. Now what's your condition? So confidence doesn't come talking on video call, on video call. It comes when you face real time debates, when you face real time activities, when you face real people in front of you, when you talk to them every day in front of you, then confidence comes. So thank you for this watching this video. If you want to talk to me every day free of, no, I'm also a learner. If you want to me, you can connect me, and I'll put my email ID on in the description box. Thank you.